Take one, go. Intro, roll up.
Now, we're going to talk about simple random sampling, more simply known as random sampling. Random sampling is the most basic and straightforward method for obtaining a sample group from a larger population. The main purpose of this method is to eliminate any sort of bias from the selection process. Because of this, random sampling has become a popular and widely used method in experiments. In fact, methods like cluster sampling, stratified random sampling, and systematic random sampling are actually variations of this method.
In random sampling, everyone has the same chance of getting selected for the sample group. So in a population of 100 people, everyone will have 1% chance of getting selected. This will help reduce bias because the final selection is completely random, and no one has control over who get to the sample groups.
Usually, random sampling involves two main steps. First, a list of all members of the population will be prepared and then numbered from 1 onwards. Then, members are randomly chosen from the list, as many as needed for the sample group.
This is usually done using software for generating random number, or something called random number tables. This table look like this, with number written on them which are chosen randomly. These methods also help minimize bias.
Random sampling is easy and simple to understand in theory. However, depending on the nature of the experiment, this method can be difficult to perform in practice.
To apply this method properly and effectively, it is recommended to have a sample size of more than a few hundred. This is a disadvantage because a list of all members in such large sample size might not always be available. Making the list yourself can be time-consuming and costly. If the sample is too large, it can be difficult to maintain the experiment with so many people.
On the other hand, if applied properly, random sampling provides many benefits compared to other methods. First, it greatly reduces sampling bias. The data obtained from the sample group is also more representative. This in turn allows us to generalize the results of the experiment. This is one of the biggest advantages of simple random sampling.
Another advantage of random sampling is that once you have the population list, it becomes very easy to form the sample group. All you have to do is pick a random number. Finally, after 10 of voice record and editing, 20 hours of animating, it's come to the end. Hope you like this video, and if you don't like, I don't care. Okay, goodbye.